Hey, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the stainless steel wristbands for your Apple Watch. Here is a link because I already tried to remove a couple since my wrist is extremely small. So this tool, or this wristband came with a tool and 2 of these wristbands. And what you will need is a tweezer to pull the little metal piece out. So on the wristband, this is kind of important to know. The metal piece in this circle, one side is smooth and the other side actually has a line going across. So you want to make sure that when you try to remove the link, use the smooth side. And you want to place it on here. Go ahead and kind of unscrew this. And then you want to make sure that the metal piece actually aligns with this over here in order for you to pop the metal piece out. So the circle has to be aligned. So go ahead and put this here. So this is what it looks like. And you just go ahead and turn this little piece. Do you see the little metal piece that came out right here? And then just go ahead and screw it. And here's the little metal piece that popped out. The easiest way to get the remaining piece of the metal out is to use a tweezer. So go ahead and grab this. And then hold this and pop it up. Pop this out. And now this is removed. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the links back on the band. So what you will do is grab the pins to the 2 links with your finger. So there's the band, and I'm only going to use 1 link today because this is all I have. So you want to make sure that on the back of the band, you should see little arrows going up. So it's going to be the back of it, so you should be able to see it. So you want to make sure that when you push the pin in, the pin actually goes against the arrow. Another thing that's interesting on the pin, one side is completely flat and the other side, there's you can see that there might be a little gap in between the pins, so you can kind of see it on here. So what you will do is go ahead and grab the band and grab the link that you needed. So just go ahead and line this back on here and make sure that your arrow is going up. So go ahead and then use a tweezer. This might be the easiest. And you always want to use the flat side, the side of the pin that doesn't have a gap. So I'll go ahead and stick this pin in here. Not sure you can see it. Hold on. Go ahead and put it in here. It might take a little adjustment. So you can see that the pin is in there, but unfortunately it is not all the way. So what you will do is, I will just kind of place it against the little tool that you have and just kind of push it. And you can see that the middle piece now is back on there.